Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want premium staples for your next project, then you have to check out these awesome, durable staples from Renewed Warriors. So what makes these staples different? One word, NiCcoreA. This is a strong alloy that is resistant to rust and corrosion, which makes these staples great to use on anything from marine projects to even just general construction. They come in packs of 500 or 2,000, so no matter the size of the project, you can get the quantity that you need. They also come in a variety of lengths, so depending on the project, you can find the length that's perfect for you. We specifically were using the 1/2 inch staples, and they worked seamlessly on our projects. Each staple has a bayonet V-point, which really drives that staple in and provides a really secure attachment. We use these NiCcoreA staples in a few different types of T50 staple guns, and they fit in each of them really well, and really just the performance was great with them. We were really impressed. So whether you're looking for some staples for a general project or something that's going to be in a little bit more corrosive environment, these NiCcoreA staples from Renewed Warriors are your top choice. They are durable, they're strong, and they work extremely well for every project. But that's just our point of view.